That is the METEOR 75 Pro DJI 04 air unit. As you can see, the antenna that I had fell off of it and broke. The actual antenna, right now it's hot because it's on. Let me go ahead and unplug that while I'm showing you. The thing overheats really quick. I realized that when I first got it, and the little micro antenna that came with it fell off and I lost it. And I was trying to fly it and the transmission was awful. The bars and the HD were down the whole time and I couldn't go further than like 30 feet. And I looked at it and I realized the antenna was gone. So I got a new one. It's the actual like stock DJI 04 antenna. And it's super big. It's got the fat head on it. It's not the tiny one that I wanted, but it works just fine. retrieved with minimal damage. As you can see, it dies around that 4 minute, 4:15, 4:30 mark, depending on how fast you're going with it. What I like to do whenever I'm done flying, when it reaches that 3 minutes and 30-second mark, I like to make sure that I'm flying close to where I am and low to the ground. So when it does die, it doesn't crash and it doesn't affect the drone too much. Obviously, I learned by crashing it. And be sure that you get your drone quick once it's down, because when it's plugged into the battery and it's not flying, it overheats quick, and the last thing you want is to overheat the VTX, the actual 04 transmission, and burn the air unit. So be sure to go run to it. I'm sure the battery would die in time before it would completely burn it, but it's just something I like to do, and it scared me when I lost my antenna. So yeah, with all that being said, hope you have a great rest of your day or night. Peace.